Hey, and welcome to the YepText Classroom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a web sign-up form. So to create a web sign-up form, all you have to do is click on the web sign-up form right here. That will take you to a page where you can actually create a web sign-up form from scratch. So all you have to do is click the Get Started button right here, and it'll take you to a page like this. So form name, so you want to put test 123 A maybe, and whatever you want to call your form. Now if you have a logo for your company or for yourself or whatever you're using this form for, you can actually choose a logo, upload it here as well. Now the next step you have to do is you obviously want to collect the phone number, you want to collect the first name, collect the last name, and the email address. And you can actually add custom fields here as well, totally up to you. And then you also want to choose which group you want to send the leads to once they've been captured with your web form. So we'll just pick Adam. Then all you do is click submit, and as easy as that, it has created a form for you. Now all you have to do is take this HTML code or take this embed code and plug it onto your website, and you will have this form right here that we have just created on your website. So now people can now come to your website. Obviously there would be a logo up top here if you did that, and now you could have people subscribe to your text message campaigns on your own website, which is a very cool feature. So if you have a website and you want to embed this form onto your website, this is how you do it. So that pretty much wraps it up, and very simple. If you haven't uploaded a logo yet and you've got to this part, you could still upload the logo by clicking the choose file here, and that pretty much wraps it up. So thanks again for watching this video, and hopefully this makes sense and you'll be able to use this feature, and it'll be awesome. So see you later, and talk to you in another video.